Hello everyone. So today is 13th of June and I'm currently not at my home, so I don't have the videos set up. So in this video, my video won't be there. But let's do the analysis as usual. This is this is the third part of the bearish days and bearish data. So for the last two videos, you saw that I have been giving bearish views, and you would say that market is not falling. Yes, market is not falling, and also all my positions are at a loss, but I'm still carrying them forward. But again, I would argue with logic, and I would show my analysis to you, what and how I am arriving at those conclusions. So let's not waste time and get into the analysis. So talking about Nifty. So Nifty is we shorted at 18,600 and now it's at 18,700. So 100 points up, and that's the pain. But if you want to capture a nice bearish move, then you have to so you know that it's not a child's play here. So you have to be very careful, and these pains might come. So no one can short at just the exact top always. Okay, it might happen, you can sometimes, but not always, that someone can just short at the exact top or go long at the exact bottom. Okay, so yes, Nifty went though Nifty went up by 100 points, but Bank Nifty is being a good boy, and Bank Nifty is even today it got resistance at 44,100. Like even I said that yesterday also here, that is for Bank Nifty 44k to 44,100 will act as resistance. So yes, I also took some bearish positions, which I have also shared in yesterday's video. Mostly I have taken positions in the monthly option chain, as you all can read here, and there was no update today, so I just told that I am still keeping my positions open. So the monthly option chain positions, whichever I have taken, so I'll be carrying forward them. But for this week, the positions that I have taken, the call writing positions, so I'll be waiting till I'll have to wait till the Thursday expiry, because there is an event day, that is the Fed's interest rate decision. So I'll still stick to my view. And yes, now let's discuss why I'm bearish. So yes, first of all, Bank Nifty is going nowhere. That's clear. Okay, what about Nifty? Yes, Nifty is going 100 points up, but now here you see that just simply go just look at stochastic RSI and RSI. Okay, not the normal RSI, relative strength index. So while we are going up, is the strength increasing? Okay, so that's the normal question one should ask. So just look at here, that is, just from this day onwards, or maybe from this day onward, you see that this is one of the tops here, right? And from here, if you draw a line and come to this point here, okay, so where Nifty again formed one of the top there, so you will see that, just look at the RSI from here. So from here to here, okay, so strength is not increasing. Okay, so here Nifty was at as you can see 18,400, and now here it's Nifty is at 18,700. So almost more than 300 points up move, but again our RSI is showing a divergence. Okay, so RSI is not increasing. Again, similarly for the stochastic RSI also, if you see here stochastic RSI, here if you see Nifty is moving up. Even from here you see that Nifty is moving up, but our stochastic RSI is going down. So again, with stochastic RSI also we have a divergence, and things should start falling, but this is just purposefully being done because recently we saw that the data was bearish, and most of the traders went bearish, and the big guys took positions against them, and that's why they are being thrown out first before we can go down. Okay, so that's my view, and you may differ from it, but it's your choice. FIIs again have today bought for a huge quantity for almost 1700 crores, but today DIIs have sold for 203 crores. Okay, so you know that this buying and selling doesn't make sense always, because you would see that on some days like DIIs bought for maybe 200 crores but market fell. 2000 crores or maybe 1500 crores and market fell. Okay, so it happens. Okay, so those buyings and sellings are done at some specific stocks. So that's why you can't decide from this data whether market is going to be bearish or bullish in short term. Okay, and now let's talk about the option chain. So coming to the option chain, let's go to the monthly option chain. Okay, so monthly option chain, if you look at here, that is 18,000. So we are now currently at 18,700. Now just go at 18,500. Okay, so you will notice here that though there is a nice OI that has been built up here. You will say that the change in OI is negative, but very few positions have closed. Okay, very few positions have closed. You can see there is a nice chunk of OI that is present at 500, that is present at 600, and also at 700. Okay, so just to compare, the OI, just look at, since we are at 18,700, just look at the put side. Okay, so the put side, just look at the OI, the overall OI. Okay, and now you see, compare it with the 18,600, which is in the money. Okay, 100 points in the money, so it's almost the same. Okay, so it's almost the same. Again, if you come at 18,500, so it's not much less than that. So okay, so be very, very careful while you decide what's going on in the market. Coming to 18,400 PE also, which is very far away. So you see the overall OI, and you see the deep in the money OI, okay, which is at 500. So you can now very well understand that the premium is not that bad. So you can sometimes, like in the current option chain, you can say that in far out of the money options, the premium is so less, like 2 rupees or 3 rupees, so that the OI on the put side is less. But only 2 more weeks are left, and this is a nice premium to eat. If the big guys are thinking that we won't be going down, so then you would see that this OI would have been at 18,400 or above. Some huge OI build up would have been seen. Okay, so that's the overall view. And even if you here see that 18,800, okay, so 18,700 on the call side is also now having more OI than the put side. And not only that, 18,800 we can see some resistance. Okay, but now just for example, as you were saying that as we were discussing that 18,400 OI, okay, so 18,400 OI, which is now our Nifty is at 18,700, so it's 300 points away, right? Now just let's go 300 points up. Okay, so 300 points up, and there we go at 19,000, where the premium is 51.30. So now you see the OI there, which has been built up. Okay, so now you decide on which side market can go by the end of June. Okay, so it might happen that market can be flat, but you see that why are these guys who have taken bearish positions deep in the money, why are they waiting? Okay, so that's the question, that's the important question one should ask, because like you see that 19 so you can say that 19,000 is a very new level, and everyone can easily speculate that it's very tough that we can see 19,000 within just 2 weeks. But again, if Nifty can go below by 300 points, but then why not it can go up by 300 points up. So the major reason here is being that the strength is decreasing. Okay, so the strength of the relative strength is decreasing, and which is showing a higher chance that things can come down rather it can go up. Okay, so yes, and again let's go to Bank Nifty now. So if you come to Bank Nifty also, you see that there is a nice OI built up at 44,000. Okay, so this is 15th of June. Let's first go to the monthly chain, option chain, which is 29 June, and let's come here. So again 44,000, again a nice OI built up has been seen. So for a very long time Bank Nifty is not going anywhere. Most of the speculations are going on in Nifty, and yes, now if we come above, then we can see that like 40, let's come here, that is 45,000 on the call side, which is like within 2 weeks 141 premium is a nice premium to it. But you see that OI change is negative, but it's a very less quantity that has been closed. Okay, so there is nothing to be afraid of or something. And yes, now let's come here, that is let's go a little dip in the money. Okay, so for Bank Nifty you will see that 44,000 is the major level. So again, as we talked about here, that is, now let's slightly go below. Okay, below by what amount, like let's go below from 44,000 to 43,000. So 43,000, do you see the OI here that has been built up? So this is in the monthly option chain. Okay, so this is in the monthly option chain, 29 June, and it's deep in the money. Okay, 1,000 points or more than 1,000 points, basically technically more than 1,000 points is the Bank Nifty is currently at 44,079. So let's take approximately 1,000 points deep in the money, and you see just OI changes minus 140. So very few have closed. Okay, so what are they doing there? So that's one of the big questions, that what are they doing there? If you even compare, so 43,000 on the other side, you have this OI, but just look at above. Okay, so you can easily tell that, look at the OI. Okay, so you can easily say that this is a huge quantity, right? This is not a quantity where it's a laughable quantity. Okay, so it's a huge quantity of OI that is present in the money, deep in the money. Okay, so this is the monthly option chain. So the current one that is going to expire. So for that, again Bank Nifty is looking like flat. And it's going flat every day because both the sides positions have been taken. But again, if we still want to take positions, then I would be going above like 44,500 or above to go with call writing. okay, and because I am bearish, I mean overall. So that's what my view is. So in the current expiry, since it's just 2 days left, so speculation can happen, both the sides move can come, but we need to be careful. But the monthly option chain is giving us a clear view, and which I have discussed in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's go to the end of the day data and also see what the big guys are doing. So for the talking about the big guys in the FIIs in the futures, you see that almost equal amount of futures long and short positions are there, and again in the option chain also futures long and futures short positions are option chain call writing and put writing positions again are an equal amount. Okay, so this is nothing that is very you can't say that they are bullish or bearish, but they are if this is the scenario, so we would be expecting both the side moves and in short term. Okay, and again for the prop decks also, overall they have done put writing today, but again they have almost an equal amount of positions on both the sides, call writing and put writing. Okay, and that's the but for the prop deck section, they have closed a huge chunk of futures long positions and they have started building futures short positions. So prop decks have started, so let's I'm expecting the FIs would also start doing future short soon. I think they are not doing, because if they start doing that, again people would go bearish. So I think this will just suddenly change one day and things would be coming down. Okay, so that's what my analysis is saying, my experience is saying. But again, for now, whatever the data has developed, so we can see both the side moves till this expiry. But anything can happen, and suddenly there's this Fed interest rate decision, so anything can happen. It's a major event, and so I'm going with my bearish positions, and yes, since most of my positions are in the monthly option chain, as you have seen in the Telegram channel, I have said. So I'll stick to my view. I'll stick to my positions, and I'll average them out. I have averaged a little bit of them today. So if I see further move, I'll average them out. And the thing is that for short term view, to get the correct direction, again we have to see what's happening during the market hours, during the intraday market hours, because since both the sides have equal amount of position, so since we can see both the side moves, so to get the correct direction, even while both the side moves are happening, suppose in the morning market would go down, so then it would come up whatever. So to catch that down move, you have to analyze the fresh positions, that what is currently happening. Okay, so I'll try to catch those, and I'll let you know for the members and also for the Twitter members. I'll try my best, but yes, so that's the overall view. And yes, again the overall view, my final verdict would be stick to sell on rise, and better to sell in the monthly option chain, so that you have time and you don't panic. And yeah, so that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.